Welcome to this short vlog on our new members area. Now, as you can see, if you go to the website as a member of the public, you do not see the members area. We have hidden it because it's only for members. Now, there are two ways you can go to it, but you need to log in. This is why it is so important that all of you let us know if you're not on registered on the website yet. It is so important to us to get you all registered as quickly as possible. So the first option is you go under membership and you just click on login. Second one is at the bottom of every page you will see this login button. Now if you go here and you fill in username or email and your password, I'll just use one of my test users. Log in. And now you see public info has gone away and has been replaced by members area. So there are several sections on here. Some we're still working on. That's why I've waited until now. But as the replays of the webinars will be here as well, this is the time to show you. So you can see your user profile. That's basically this. Clicking on the cog takes you to edit profile, and you can make small changes here. If you want to upgrade or if you have done a new training, you can all add that there yourself. If it's something big like an upgrade, please let us know, as our admin has to needs that information as well. So next is the organizational members. That's a section we are still working on. We want to highlight benefits. If organizations have benefits, we want to highlight that here as well. So if you click on a title, that will take you to the page of that organizational member, and if they have special offers, benefits, it will be listed here as well, and how you can get to them. So going back, we come to something completely new, and that is our working groups. We want this to be areas with a lot of knowledge on one topic, and right now most of them are still empty because we also need you to help us fill them. Now I know there's something in children and young people, so many of these have a group as well that you can join if you're interested in that topic. Some groups have discussions once or more times a month, and within these groups you can find information about that. So if you have an idea for a completely new group, let us know. We're open for everything. If you want to help us fill this, we'll give you a training on how to add information here, and we really hope that a lot of you will join us in making this a really great resource. The international database is very nearly ready. I expect it will be added in April, so it will be included in the full video that I will be doing when everything is finished. Now here, for now, we have last year's conference videos for you, but this tab will change into webinars. When our first webinar is finished, that will be added here for members. So we are planning to do one webinar per month now, so pretty soon this will also be a great resource with videos on several subjects for you to rewatch.